I'm so excited about what we're going to be looking at today. So, who am I? I'm Laura. I'm a Canva creator, Canvassador, and a certified Canva community trainer in the UK. Absolutely love bringing Canva designs and tutorials and trainings and courses to you. Small businesses, I think, absolutely love Canva, and it's definitely something that all small businesses should be using. So the power of the visual suite. We are going to delve into this. I absolutely love the visual suite. So this visual suite, it is all about product campaigns, new launches, collaborations, creating new side hustles. If you want to create multiple different pieces of education content and you want to keep it all in one, you can do. And the different things that you can actually add into this are your social media templates, your documents, your sheets, your charts, your websites, your presentations, your print items. So if you have merchandise that you want to add as well, so you can kind of see if you're creating a new product or service campaign, everything can be put together and you can collaborate very, very well with other people in your team within one design. And that's what the visual suite is. So I've got a little bit of a video here just to run through. So if we click on social media, we're going to start a brand new visual campaign here. So we've got visual suite. We are going for social media, just a basic Facebook template, nothing fancy at all. So we're creating a social media campaign. Let's say we're going to create a campaign for our social media. So we need lots of different types in here. We can add in our various different Facebook templates. Click add page at the bottom. You can then add in more pages. So you can add in all of your templates. If you've got your brand templates set up, you can add them in as well. So you're keeping everything on brand. So we've added in some Facebook. Now we think to ourselves, actually, we want to add a different size in. How do we do that? Click on the little arrow at the bottom and it will open up this 3x3 grid. Click on social media in the middle and it will then open up all of the different social media types of templates that Canva has got in there. So you can choose one in the drop-down list, or you can use the search bar at the top. We're going to go for an Instagram, and it's added in an Instagram size. So now I can add in my branded templates all in Instagram size, or I can use the templates in Canva and edit them later. So kind of gone with a bit of a blue theme for this social media campaign. So we're sticking with blue. If you can't find templates that you love, so I'm scrolling through here, I can't find a blue one. I'm just going to type blue into the top bar, and then it brings up all of the different templates that have got blue in them. So I can then find relevant templates for this social media campaign. So I'm adding in some different ones here by using the add page, but there are other things I want to add in here as well. I can add in other different social medias if I want to, but I can also add in all these other different types. I can click more to open it up. I'm actually going to go for a document now. So this is probably something that you would probably start with at the beginning of a social media campaign. I want to have all the different pieces of information, maybe all the text for my social posts, a little bit about what the campaign is promoting, so I can create a document, add in a template, and then I can update this document as well with all the information in that I need for this particular campaign. You can even edit the header. So you click on it, click edit, and Canva will open up loads of different templates. So it's fully editable, even though it's a document, it is still fully editable in Canva. So there's lots of different templates that it's brought up. We're just going to stick with this one for now. So we've now got a document. We have got our social graphics. We can edit everything within here. If I want to go back to my list of social graphics, click on where it says pages in the bottom right hand corner and it brings them up along the bottom. It gives me my arrow so I can then continue adding to this document. Let's say we have a presentation. So I'm going to be running a training course, or I'm going to be presenting something to do with this social media platform. This could be a branding guideline that I'm adding in here that's going to go out to a VA. So I'm adding in my presentation pages to the document as well. So they're all blue. I'm keeping within my blue theme. Click the arrow. I can then add in some other pieces to this. So sheets, for example, if I want to list all of the different social platforms, I want to have the graphics that they're going to be added to. As you can see, I've added this one in and I've gone, actually, no, don't really like that one. It doesn't work with what I want. So I can select a different one and it will just overwrite that page. This one's more akin to what I actually need if I'm creating a social media campaign. It gives me my content type, my platforms, the date is going to be published. I can have the visual. I can add a column in here with all the text for each post. I can also add columns in here to assign different parts to different people as well. And next, I'm going to be adding in a whiteboard. So I can add in a whiteboard. So this can really map out my campaign. Like I mentioned with the other parts of this campaign, you can collaborate with people as well. So I can add in a template, or I can start from scratch if I want to. You don't have to use a template, but you can use a template that will just gives you that head start with actually trying to plan out this social media campaign. I've gone for this, I think they call it a fishbone diagram, which I thought was pretty cool. So it gives me lots of different aspects to this. It actually gives me one part where I've got some tips on how to use the whiteboard itself, which I think is really, really handy. I can scroll in and out as well. And then I've got my main diagram. I've got some boxes at the bottom and the top where I can collaborate with people. There are sticky notes on here so people can come and add their ideas and information from my team, which we can then incorporate into this diagram. So everybody's getting involved in this particular campaign. And as you can see, you can scroll out and out and out. So there's plenty of room for all of your content. So we've now got a lot going on in this one design. We've got social graphics, Facebook, Instagram, we've got presentation, documents, sheets, and we've also got our whiteboard. So everything is built together in one design. Click on pages at the bottom and it will bring it down into a line for you so you can scroll through and see what you've got going on. Then click on the grid button as well, and it will show you a very visual plan of every single page that you have got within this particular design. Click grid again, and it brings it back into a scrolling template for you again. And so that's a very, very quick run through of what the visual suite can look like when you start adding different elements in. It's only taken us a few minutes to actually go through that, but we've got everything in there that we could need for our campaign. So what did you think of that? The visual suite in Canva is absolutely perfect for so many businesses. You can do so much with it. In particular, for me, it's creating social media campaigns. And as we've looked at the video today, you can see how you can add all those different elements into one design to now create your visual campaign, your social media campaigns using the amazing visual suite. So that's it from me today. I'm Laura. I am a Canva creator and a Canva certified trainer, and I love bringing Canva trainings and tutorials to you, in particularly small businesses. Please do follow the channel because I've got so much more going on just lately that I really want to share with you. And also, if you're interested in learning more about Canva and how it can work for your business, please do check out the Business Design Vault, which is my membership. It has the back catalogue of all of my courses, trainings, and around about 1,000 templates in there at the moment, which is growing. We have a supportive Facebook group for it, and we also have monthly calls where you can come along live. You don't have to, but if you want to, the option is there. We have a chat, we have a coffee, we learn something new about Canva. It's all about learning how to use Canva for our businesses and forming this amazing community. So that's it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.